In this video tutorial, I'll teach you how to add a video background in Elementor. To do so, you need to go to that respective page and edit it with Elementor. I'm already in the page editor, but if you need help editing the page with Elementor, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, here you can see this is the section with an image background. To add a video in the background, all you need to do is go to the section Settings, and under the Style tab, you can see the background settings here. To set the video as background, click on this video icon here, and here you can add the video link that you want to set in the background. So I'll simply add a YouTube video link here. To do so, let's move to that video. Simply copy the video URL like this, and moving back to the page editor, simply paste the link here like this. Once done, you can see the video background here. On the left, you can configure other relative settings. You can set the start time and end time. You can play this video once, and you can enable or disable the switches here as per your need. Moving to the Layout tab, you can set the height from here. As you select, you can see the preview on the right. You can play with other settings given over here as well. Under the Advanced tab, you can configure other settings as well, like setting the margin and the padding. Once everything is in place, you can simply update the changes and check your page from the front end. And this is how you can add the video background in Elementor. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.